Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
The original personality of Godhead, the Enjoyer, and Balrām, the primeval Lord Anant, are staying in the ocean of the Yadu dynasty for the welfare, protection, and general progress of the entire universe. And the members of the Yadu dynasty, being protected by the arms of the Lord, are enjoying life like the residents of the spiritual sky. As we have discussed many times, the personality of Godhead Vishnu resides within each and every universe in two capacities, namely as the Garbhodakshaya Vishnu and the Kshirodakshaya Vishnu. The Kshirodakshaya Vishnu has his own planet on the northern top of the universe, and there is a great ocean of milk where the Lord resides on the bed of the Anant incarnation of Baldev. Thus, Maharaj Yudhishthira has compared the Yadu dynasty to the ocean of milk and Sri Balram to the Anant where Lord Krishna resides. He has compared the citizens of Dvarka to the liberated inhabitants of the Vaikunthloks. Beyond the material sky, further than we can see with our eyes, and beyond the sevenfold coverings of the universe, there is the causal ocean in which all the universes are floating like footballs, and beyond the causal ocean there is an unlimited span of spiritual sky, generally known as the effulgence of Brahm. Within this effulgence there are innumerable spiritual planets, and they are known as the Vaikuntha planets. Each and every Vaikuntha planet is many, many times bigger than the biggest universe within the material world, and in each of them there are innumerable inhabitants who look exactly like Lord Vishnu. These inhabitants are known as the Mahapurushiks, or persons directly engaged in the service of the Lord. They are happy in those planets and are without any kind of misery, and they live perpetually in full youthfulness, enjoying life in full bliss and knowledge without fear of birth, death, old age, or disease, and without the influence of Kal, eternal time. Maharaj Yudhishthira has compared the inhabitants of Dvarka to the Mahapurushiks of Vaikunthloka because they are so happy with the Lord. In the Bhagavad Gita there are many references to the Vaikunthloks, and they are mentioned there as Maddam, or the kingdom of the Lord.